Most people don't ruin their lives with one catastrophic event. It's not a single grand mistake that brings them down. Instead, it's a slow erosion, a quiet chipping away caused by small, seemingly harmless mistakes repeated day after day. And the most tragic part? They often don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. This is a story about that very process. It's a story about a young man named Evan, and it might just be your story too. Evan lived his life under a comforting illusion. He believed he had an endless supply of time. Time to finally change his bad habits. Time to improve himself. Time to become the person he always dreamed he could be. And because he believed time was always on his side, he delayed everything that truly mattered. He put off his goals, his health, his dreams, telling himself, "I'll get to it tomorrow." This procrastination was just the beginning. Evan's first major mistake was a common one. He waited for motivation. He had this idea that one day he would wake up filled with an unstoppable urge to change. A lightning bolt of inspiration that would make everything easy. He'd tell himself, "I will start my new diet when I feel ready," or "I'll begin that project when I'm in the right mood." But as he waited, the days turned into weeks, the weeks into months, and the months into years. That perfect moment of motivation, that magical feeling he was waiting for, never arrived. He didn't understand that motivation isn't a prerequisite for action. It's a result of it. His second mistake was just as subtle but equally destructive. He listened to everyone except himself. His parents, his friends, his colleagues, even strangers on the internet, everyone had an opinion about his life. Everyone had advice. Everyone was eager to tell him what he should do, which career to pursue, who to date, how to live. Bombarded by this constant noise of external voices, Evan started to doubt his own judgment. He stopped listening to that quiet inner voice, his own intuition. And slowly, without even noticing, he lost his own direction. He was living a life designed by a committee, and he felt like a stranger in it. The third mistake was perhaps the most seductive of all. He chose comfort above all else. Evan actively built his life around what was easy. He gravitated towards easy habits, like scrolling through his phone for hours instead of reading a book. He indulged in easy entertainment, binge-watching shows instead of creating something of his own. And he became a master of easy excuses, always finding a reason to avoid a challenge. He saw discomfort as a threat, something to be avoided at all costs. What he failed to realize was that discomfort isn't the enemy. It's the very doorway to growth. Every time he dodged a difficult task, he was also dodging an opportunity to become stronger, smarter, and more resilient. One evening, by a stroke of fate, Evan ran into an old teacher he deeply respected. The teacher, now a wise old man, looked at him with kind but perceptive eyes. After a few minutes of catching up, the teacher said something that cut through all of Evan's excuses. "Evan, your life is not broken. Your choices are." The words hung in the air. Evan stayed silent, stunned. The teacher continued, his voice gentle but firm. "You are making the same fundamental mistakes every single day. You delay your own growth, waiting for a feeling that will never come. You fear discomfort, which is the only place real progress happens. And you ignore the power of discipline, choosing fleeting pleasure over long-term fulfillment." Then he delivered the final powerful line, "Life rewards action, not intention." Those words echoed in Evan's mind long after he left. That night, for the first time in years, he looked at his life with brutal honesty. He stripped away the excuses, the justifications, and the blame. And in that moment of raw clarity, he realized something both painful and liberating. No one was holding him back. There was no external force, no grand conspiracy, no bad luck. He was holding himself back. He was the architect of his own stagnation. The very next morning, something shifted in Evan. He decided to change just one thing. He stopped waiting to feel ready. He got out of bed and went for a run, even though he felt tired. He started working on the project he'd been delaying, even though it felt hard and overwhelming. He picked up a challenging book, even when his mind screamed for the easy distraction of his phone. He chose discipline over comfort, action over intention. Slowly, almost imperceptibly at first, his life began to change. It wasn't an overnight transformation. Life didn't suddenly become easy. In fact, in many ways, it became harder. But the difference was, he was becoming stronger. He was building resilience with every uncomfortable choice, gaining confidence with every action he took. Evan finally learned the most important lesson of all. Mistakes will keep repeating themselves until the lessons they carry are finally learned. Your future isn't some distant, abstract concept. It is being created brick by the choices you are making today, right now. So if you are watching this, take a moment to ask yourself honestly, what mistake are you repeating? What lesson is life trying to teach you over and over again? Because recognizing the pattern, developing that awareness, is the crucial first step to breaking free. Stop making excuses for why you can't. Stop delaying your own growth. Stop repeating the same self-sabotaging mistakes. Your life can change profoundly and beautifully, but it will only happen if you decide to change it. The power is, and always has been, in your hands. This is English Tailies, where we believe simple stories can teach the most powerful life lessons. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you build a better life, one choice at a time. Thanks for watching.